Hey everyone, Mark here again. Went to my local card shop today. Wanted to get some Panini Prestige, but they were out, so I decided to buy a couple pack. Might order the Prestige online and post a video later with that break. So let's crack these packs and see what we got in here. I got the 2016 Select Panini. I got 3 of those. And then I got the 2016 Contenders draft pick. I also got 3 of those. Wanting to see what I could get in those. So we'll start with the Select and see what we got. First card, Steve Smith Sr. Michael Thomas rookie card. Nice. Jalen Ramsey. Looks like we have a hit. Number 2/199. And that is a sticker auto of Jalen Richards for the Raiders. Nice hit. And then finally we have Trevor Davis. Not a bad way to start this one. Jarvis Landry. Demarius Thomas. I'm actually liking these cards. Not as much as the optic, but they're still very nice. You know, they're popping off the cards. Very nice. Barry Cooper. We have a red Allen Robinson. See if that one's numbered. Number 299. Nice. 2 numbered cards already. Very nice. And Cody Kessler. Last pack of Select. Cameron Meredith. Is he going to be the big man now that Allen has signed somewhere else? Ooh, Bo Jackson. Wow. That's a throwback there. Austin Hooper. Had a very good year for the Falcons on their Super Bowl run. Let's see, we have a rookie die cut here. Blake Martinez of the Packers. Interesting die cut. That is number 275. 52 of 75. And then finally we have John Riggins. A lot of throwbacks in this deck. Are pretty cool. Always enjoy seeing that. Not a bad 3-pack. Now we've got the Contenders draft pick. If you watched my first video, you know I'm probably not a fan of the regular Contenders. We'll see if this is any better. Gotta love that Carolina blue though. Alright. TJ Yeldon. Richard Sherman. Now Richard Sherman, pretty controversial player, but you gotta love that video that Frank made about him. Richard Sherman, Seattle Seahawks. Julian Edelman. Wow. Looks like we have a hit here. Let's see what we got. Wow, Connor Cook, sticker auto. College ticket. Wow. Pretty nice. 2 hits today. Wow. we have School Colors, Corey Coleman. Had a pretty good year with that hand injury. Hoping he has another good year. Todd Gurley, Old School Colors. Wow. Rode him to a couple of fantasy football championships his rookie year because nobody drafted him. And then we've got Game Day, Aaron Green, and Tyler Irvin. Not a bad first pack. Alright. Mario Williams out of NC State. Latavius Murray. Keenan Allen. Do we have another hit? Is this 2 for 2? Oh my goodness. Dom Williams. Rookie card. Don't know who he is, but can't argue with the hit. Wow. 2-pack, 2 hits. And we have Cool Color for Dak Prescott. Wow. Cool Colors. Old Cool Colors. Andy Dalton. Devin Johnson. And finally, Braxton Miller of the Ohio State Buckeyes. Go Buck. Last pack. Are these hands gonna stay hot or we can go 3 for 3? Let's see here. Ooh, look at that. Joey Bosa on the back. Wow. Oh man, Peyton Manning the Sheriff. Wow. Matthew Stafford. And Marcus Mariota, 3 quarterbacks. Wow. Class reunion, J.J. Watt. Very nice. Christian Hackenberg, School Colors. Old School Colors, Russell Wilson. No, this says Wisconsin, but I would argue he went to state. He did 3 years there. I don't know why he always has to go with Wisconsin. Kind of disappointing. And then we've got 2 Buckeyes here. Wow. Michael Thomas and Joey Bosa. Wow, what a pack. Man. I couldn't have scripted that better if I even wanted to. What a pickup today. So just to recap, Dak Prescott, Dom Williams. I'll have to do some research. It looks like he is a running back or a fullback. But wow. Connor Cook. Jalen Richards for the select. Blake Martinez die cut. And finally the Allen Robinson. That one is numbered to 99. Wow. So 6 packs, all in all not too bad. I did want to show you some other cards that I have that I was gonna put on eBay for sale. So I have a ton of 2016 score. That was the first set that I got back into, and I've been collecting a lot of them. So I have a CJ Pursice rookie card auto, Glenn Gronkowski auto, Tajay Sharp auto, Jordan Payton auto, Aaron Green Gold Zone numbered to 99 auto, Corey Coleman scorecard auto, and Darren Lee numbered 72 out of 99 from the Buckeyes. So I have those. I also have some parallels here. So Steve Smith Sr., Frank Gore, number 6 of 10, first down. Matt Ryan, number 21 of 35. Gronk, 25 of 35. Zach Sanchez, number 5 of 10. Deb Bryant, 85 out of 99. Brandon Coleman, number 6 of 35, red zone. And finally, Russell Wilson, 31 of 35, red zone. Also, 2016 score had a whole bunch of inserts. So I have this box here just full of inserts from that 2016 score. There are a couple of rainbows in here, but I have complete All-Americans and all the insert sets. I have complete one. If you're interested in any of those, I'll post my email in the description, and you can let me know if there's something you're interested in. Thanks for watching, guys. I will post when I get the Prestige box and when I ordered a loot locker and a card crate. So hopefully those will be here at the end of the month. Thanks again. Have a good day.